information and we have some great news.
Polenar Technical has partnered up with Sellier Bellot, one of the oldest ammo manufacturers in the world.
And why is this so awesome?
Why, Giga? Why?
Because if you've seen any of our videos, you know that we burn through a lot of ammo. And we are very happy to partner specifically with Sellier Bellot because they produce a wide variety of high quality ammo.
And how do we know? We've been buying and using their ammo for more than a decade now.
And best of all, it's an European company. Logistically, mentally, even Slavically, it's a perfect fit.
In a couple of days we're going to Czech Republic to visit Sellier Bellot and make some content in their factory.
Yeah, and we did travel together for quite some time now, so I'm really excited for this road trip.
If you want to know more about this, go follow Sellier and Bellot at their Instagram and Facebook account.
Thank you, bye-bye. I love you. Link down below. Comment, share, subscribe.